In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate email sending on Aweber. To get started, log into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Automations, then select Workflow. This is where you build an automated sequence that sends emails for you based on a trigger, like a new subscriber joining your list or someone taking a specific action. Once you are on the Workflow page, click Create Workflow. Aweber will give you a choice at this point. You can choose a template, which is helpful if you want a ready-made structure to follow, or you can start from scratch if you prefer full control. Templates are a good option when you are new, because they guide you through the basic flow of sending and waiting. Next, name your campaign. Choose something clear and specific, so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple workflows. After you enter the name, click Create to open the Workflow Builder. Now it is time to decide what will start the automation. Select your trigger. Choose on subscription, if you want the workflow to begin the moment someone signs up to your list. This is ideal for welcome sequences and onboarding emails. Or choose Tag Applied if you want the workflow to begin only when a certain tag is added, which is useful when you want different follow-ups based on actions or interests. With your trigger set, you can begin adding emails. In the Workflow Builder, drag in Send Message. If you already have a message saved as a draft, you can also choose it from your drafts instead of creating one from zero. Make sure each message fits the purpose of your sequence and matches the timing you plan to use. After your first message, drag a wait action directly below it. This controls when the next email goes out. The wait step is important because it spaces your emails out in a way that feels natural and avoids overwhelming your subscribers. Repeat the same pattern as needed in your workflow. Send a message, then wait, then continue. When you are finished building the workflow, click Save and Exit. Take a quick moment to review that the trigger is correct and that your waits are placed where you want them. Finally, click Activate. This turns your workflow on so new subscribers or tagged contacts can enter the automation and receive your emails automatically. And that covers everything you need to know.